Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Funtime Zoo. Are you ready to meet some amazing animals and learn the sounds they make? Let's go. Cow. Pig. Sheep. Goat. Horse. Chicken. Wow, you did amazing, little zookeepers. We met so many animals today, and learned all their sounds. Hands clapping. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time at Funtime Zoo. Bye bye.